Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 18th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I mean, my bias is definitely still up. I mean, we have definitely not broken any structure to the downside, and I still think it at least needs to take out the high of wave W and maybe even take out the high of wave 4 way back here, which would put us all the way up to the 161, 178 for more of an expanding ABC type shape. So overall, I am definitely very bullish on the dollar. Now, going down to the sort of time phase, we still don't have that break of structure, which would confirm that the dollar is back up. Now, I mean, this could be impulsive down. This could be three waves up, leading to more impulsive down. But because of the fact that the daily is up, I got my Fibonacci retracement from here to here because I think there's a good chance that we will get a break of structure. And if we do get a break of structure, I think there's a good chance we're going to see a much larger wave to the upside, mostly because the daily and the weekly is technically in an uptrend right now. So since the very high time frames are in an uptrend, my bias is definitely going to be always long, even if the 1 to 4 hour time frame is technically in a downtrend. So for me personally, I really want to see this breaker structure to the upside, and if and when that happens, I will definitely take that information and I'll apply it to the US dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.